Got a sink full of cucumbers. Well, it's not full, but got a sink full of cucumbers and fixing to make dill pickle relish. This is not all of my cucumbers, but it's how much the recipe calls for. 6 pounds. This is some of the last of the garlic. I have like 2 more cloves from my garden last year. Okay, I'm not cutting all these by hand. I'm cutting them up, but I'm going to chop them in my food processor. I've already cut the end off of the stem end. Probably have to take the okay, got them all chopped up. Now I got to run out to the garden and get some onions. That'll be good enough. It calls for 2 large, but they're not super large. But these are, red onions are stouter for me than the other ones, so it'll work. Okay, I already got my onion chopped up. Didn't video that, but I chopped it in here. This is my garlic. I'll try to get it, most of it out. Okay, I need 1/2 cup of pickling salt. I got it measured out. We'll put this all in here and then we're going to stir it up. I'm going to get it all coated with salt. And that's going to draw out a bunch of the liquid in the cucumbers. Okay, it's got to stand for 1 hour. So I'm going to set my timer on my phone. Okay, we'll start out with 6 cups of vinegar. This is a 2-cup measuring cup. 2, 4, 6. Okay. Then I have 4 teaspoons of celery seed and 4 teaspoons of mustard seed in the pot. This is turmeric, 1 teaspoon. And then 4 teaspoons of celery seeds in the pot. Turn that on. Stir that around and get some of that that's floating on top to get down in there. Almost forgot. A half a cup of white sugar. Okay, gotta rinse it. I'll do a couple of these at a time. I will. That's it really good. Okay, it's just about to boil. I did add a half a cup of pepper and salt to it, just because those cucumbers are not salty at all after sitting. So this has to boil for 10 minutes, and then I have to put the cucumbers in it and boil for another 10 minutes. Okay, time to add this to the pan. I hope it all fits. Okay. Stir it up. Bring it back to a boil for 10 minutes. Then it will be ready to go in the jars. But I want to get all them spices mixed up in amongst the cucumbers. Okay, turn the burner off. Move my pot over to here. I better turn it back on. Move this pot over to here. And get to filling my jars. We're at 1/2 inch headspace. Paper towel. Put it with vinegar. Wipe my rims. Alright. Time for my lids. And yes, I do put them in hot water, but I don't boil them. And then get out my rings. Fingertip tight. Blend up. Things are hot. Little one in the middle, and I might have to add some water. I don't know. I usually do. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna get some water on the bowl so that I can get that filled up where it needs to be. Okay, got my jars covered with water. Got one that's tipped over. I need to stand back up. There we go. If that one don't seal, it can go in the refrigerator. Anyway, it's boiling. It's not rolling yet, but it won't take just a minute. And then I got to process them for 10 minutes. Here's the little one. Okay. Here they are. Thanks, y'all.